Hey guys, my name is Natasha and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying out a new primer by Wet n Wild. Congrats Loza, you're the shout out winner. If you want to win, leave a comment on this video to enter. As you can see, it's this cute little bottle with pink coloring and some shimmer in it, and it's got a little eyedropper applicator. It is their primer serum, and it's supposed to be hydrating, it's supposed to be pore filling, and it's supposed to make your makeup last longer. We're going to be doing an all-day foundation wear test with one side of my face having the primer applied to it, and then the other side of my face I'm not going to apply primer so that you can see how it performs. I'm going to be using my Maybelline Superstay foundation for this, just like I do on pretty much all my other tests, and then I will do a check-in at the end of this video. I will also do close-ups of my skin so that you can actually see how the primer is looking actually whenever it's applied. Unfortunately for me, you get a good look of what is really going on my face. Because as a beauty viewer, I want to see what someone's skin actually looks like close up. So we're going to get into applying it. I exfoliated and moisturized my face already, so it's clean. It says to put just a couple of drops where you want to apply it and then rub it in with your fingers, let it sit for a little bit and dry, and then you apply your makeup like you would normally. I just like to preface with saying that I looked at the ingredients list of this primer and I am not very impressed because the second ingredient in here is alcohol, and it has yellow and red coloring in it. I don't like having those ingredients in any of my facial products, any of my beauty products in general, so hopefully this does not make me break out. Let me give this a good little shake. Okay, so it's 1 to 2 drops. Okay, so I'm wondering how my skin will look those drops are definitely going a long way. Don't use more than that. Actually, I probably should have just used 1 drop on this side. So this primer also contains rose water and green tea extract. I could tell you that it does not necessarily smell like it has those ingredients in it. So for those people that would have like a sensitivity to it, I don't think that you'll have a problem with this product. I do remember seeing that it had like the 3rd or the 4th, 5th ingredient was actually some sort of rose ingredient. So that means that it had a higher concentration. So that's nice, but it was right there next to after the alcohol. Okay, so let me scoot the camera in a little bit so that we can see if there's actually a visible difference on my skin. One side that has it and the other side that doesn't, considering it has these little particles of gold glimmer inside of this primer. I want to see if we can have it show up on camera. So this is the side that has the primer on it. I have a breakout right here. Let's ignore that. And my skin is a little crazy right now because I've been testing out several different foundations and I'm oversensitive, so it's kind of just freaking out, and I'm just gonna let it do its thing. It's all natural, but as you can see, it did give it like a nice sheen. I don't actually see any of those little glitter particles. Like this is the side that doesn't have anything, and I can't tell like a super noticeable difference. My moisturizer kind of makes both sides have like a little bit of a sheen to it. We'll see how my foundation wears throughout the day, and if it makes my foundation change at all, like give it a little bit of luminosity and hydration, this one side compared to the other side. I'm gonna go and apply my foundation right now and all my other products on top of it, and then I'll be right back. So side with the primer on and side without. Can you see a difference? I can't necessarily see a difference. This is the side without the primer on it. I do have highlight and I do have a bronzer on that has a little bit of shimmer, so that's what that is. But if you just focus in on this area right here, you can see that they pretty much both look the same. I'm excited to see how my makeup will wear throughout the day. I am going to be doing a check-in right after this, so stay for that. Okay, so it is almost 7 o'clock right now, which would be about 9-10 hours since I put the foundation on with this primer on the one side of my face. And I have to say that it pretty much looks the same both sides. I do believe that the side became oilier or started to become oilier earlier in the day than the side that did not have the primer on it. But at the end, both of them still look the same. Here you can see the side with the primer on it and then the normal side. Both of them pretty much look the same. I wouldn't say that there's a major difference between them. Foundation looks the same. The amount of grease that's on it looks the same. It's still, both sides needs to be touched up, but overall, nothing really that I would say that this primer did. I did not really see any of the gold little glimmers reflect through that side of the foundation. Overall, I really don't think that it did much, in my opinion. I don't see a reason why I would need to purchase it to put it underneath my foundation for it not to do anything, and then for it to add the extra chemicals that's inside of here, which not all of these chemicals I would appreciate, like the colorants, for example, and the alcohol to put on my skin. So considering all of those things, I would not really spend your money on it. Not that it's like a bad product, just like, why do you need to go out and purchase it? It might be something that's nice if you wanted to put on just for bare skin for like a no makeup day, but underneath the foundation to wear for long lasting effect, I would say, or for the shimmer effect to make your foundation, your face gleam a little bit more, I would say don't spend your money on it just because it's not really doing anything that is impressing me. And I think that about covers it. Well, thank you for watching this video. If you've used this product and have any other results with it or similar results, please let me know in the comments below. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit that red button so that we can become YouTube friends. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you in my next video.